Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making Aloo Matar Curry. It is a famous Indian recipe made from potatoes and peas in a spiced tomato based sauce. So without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, take 2 medium potatoes, peel off the skin and slice it into medium sized pieces. Not too small and not too big. Then heat a pan and add 1.5 teaspoon of oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, which is also known as hing in Hindi. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Wait for them to crackle. Then add 1 medium finely chopped onion and cook over medium heat till the onion becomes translucent or slightly golden. Make sure to stir the onion in between so it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. This is how the onion should look. Switch the heat to low and add 1 inch of chopped ginger and 6 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Cook over low heat for 2 minutes. Time to add the spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. You can also add red chili powder or some pepper if you like. I personally don't prefer this recipe to be too spicy, but if you want, add 1 green chili at this point. After 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 large tomato. I have just blended it in a juicer, followed by 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can use ready-made tomato puree too. It will bring great color to the recipe. Let it cook till the oil starts to separate. You can cook over high heat. Stir the gravy in between, and as you can see, most of the water is evaporated, but the tomatoes are not completely cooked yet. As the oil starts to ooze out, add the chopped potatoes followed by frozen green peas. Mix them well with the tomato gravy. Cook for a minute and then add water as per the curry you need. I have added 400 ml of water, which is roughly around 1.5 cups. Mix it well and cover and cook for 20 to 25 minutes over medium heat or till the potatoes are entirely cooked. After that, remove the cover, give it a mix. Try to break the potato from the center. Look at that. Add chopped coriander leaves and mix. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then let it cook without the cover for another 5 to 7 minutes. And the Aloo Matar Curry is ready. You can serve it with some chapati, steamed rice or naan. It is a perfect lunch or dinner recipe. This is also one of my mom's favorite go-to winter recipes as it gives the perfect blend of flavors and warmth for a cold winter night. So if you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting recipe video. Until then, bye. Also don't forget to check out these 2 amazing vegan recipes.